Hi beautiful people, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to install soft locks. And this is the locks I'll be installing. Can you see? I'll be installing just one pack, the soft locks, and this is the king I'll be using to wrap it. So guys, for you to achieve these lovely locks, you need to braid the hair individual, like you braid it like all this calabar braiding. Yes, you braid the natural hair one, but please make sure you count the locks before you braid the hair, so that you won't be stranded while you are trying to fix it. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. This is where we are going to. So this is how to install it, because the hair is long and the locks is soft, so I don't want to pass it through the locks so that the locks will not scatter. So I decided to use crochet pin to pass the locks through the hair. Can you see? So all what you are going to do, you just put your crochet pin in between the natural braid, then you open the loop and pass it through the natural braid. Then after passing it, you use your crochet pin from the root of the natural braid, you pass it again just to fold it into two to make it smaller. Then you begin to use your king to wrap it. Start from the tip of the braid where you join the locks and the braid together. You start from the edge, you braid it, you use the king to wrap it to the middle. Can you see as I'm wrapping it? You are wrapping it towards the middle. Then the remaining one, you also use it to wrap it. After wrapping it, you now go to the down. You use your crochet pin, you pass it through the root of the braid. Then you use your king to wrap it as well. So what you are doing, you are starting from the tip to the middle, then you are wrapping from the root to the middle as well. So as you are wrapping it, you wrap it very well, like so that the hair will not get loose. So as you're wrapping it, you are making it tight. Just make sure that the hair is tight as you're wrapping it. And can you see what I'm doing? So when you wrap it and the tip of the king is not really tiny, you can take a smaller one just to make sure you secure it well to avoid it. Can you see this particular one I'm using is very tiny? So you just collect tiny one just to make sure that the hair is very secured, and that's how you begin to wrap it. Can you see, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again, my beautiful people, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you are new here. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family, so that you can see as much as you can see from this lovely page. Hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that I'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is how I keep going with this lovely installation. Can you see? So you start from the tip. Make sure you wrap it very well, like so. The ones that the kinky you are using to wrap it, don't make it too thick. Don't make it too thick. So wrap it very well from the tip. Can you see? So you are not wrapping it over the locks. You are starting where the hair join with the locks, then you wrap it to the middle. After that, the second one, you wrap it as well. Can you see? So you are wrapping it from the tip to the middle. Yes, because this particular one I'm not tying it, so it's only this wrapping that is doing the work. So you have to wrap it very well. Can you see, guys? So wrap it to that tiny tip. So you wrap it very well. Can you see? Like when you finish wrapping it, you now go to the roots, the down parts. This is how you use your crochet pin. So you are just using your crochet pin, your king and your locks. So as you are tying it from the roots, make sure it's not too tight though. Make sure it's not too tight, so that to avoid headache. So that's how you keep wrapping it. Keep wrapping it. Can you see? So this my client hair is actually due, but she said she want to relax it. I told her not to relax it yet. After the installation, like after losing it, she can go ahead and relax her hair. Yes, that's the best thing to avoid the hair from breaking. So these are the ones I've done so far. Can you see, guys? So after that, just use your hand to lock it very well. Then after the installation, you go ahead and you trim the hair. Like, you don't really need to trim much, it's just that wrapping part that you need to trim. After trimming it, you apply your hair mousse, then go ahead and apply oil to the scalp, and that's all. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching, and if this video is helpful, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. See the final look. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.